Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. We're playing Mortal Kombat. This is the Saibot Cheez and TripleX, and we're gonna fight each other. My vein
versus Cheez that y'all been asking for, so we're gonna put it on. You know.
Noob.
And this is like a little test fight. Let's see how far I come. And we really know about, and everybody knows about TripleX's Noob, so you know he is a noob in this case.
I'm not a noob.
Oh, come on, we're fighting in that dark area.
Round 1. Fight!
Let's get it on.
Round 2. Fight!
Oh, why? It's a more move. I'm not letting you get no floors on me. I don't care if you're in this fight.
Finish him. I can do that. New Saibot wins. Fatality.
And that's
Fear you.
and this is fight 2
Fight.
of the Saibot Cheez versus the Reps.
That was nice.
I'm not gonna let you punch it out.
Ring wins. Round 2. Fight.
No. What the heck is? I keep shoving against me. You can't do that teleport. I try to stop. I try to dodge. Oh, come on, really, TripleX? looks like the Mega Man X on the MC.
Fatality.
What?
Whatever.
This is fight 3.
With
Best
this-
of 3. I won the first fight.
And the Cereal Cheese won the second. This is the final fight right here between the Cereal Cheese's reign against Triple S's Noob Saibot. Or Noob.
Fear me.
So here we go.
Purple versus black.
Round 1.
Colors go
Fight.
together, but purple goes more.
Oh, nice.
Noob side wins. Round 2. Fight.
I thought it was
This is kind of good.
Oh, alright. Let's see what you gotta be kidding me.
Oh!
Oh, man. There we go. Sorry for that. Get versus that twice. Good fight.
Thanks. I know I can get better than that.
You had me there, round. I didn't know what to do. I was trying to catch you with it wrong.
You need to have me flawless, and then, like, you start messing up at some point, and I find out what's gonna do.
Yeah. I tried to end you with I tried to do the kick combo and send you flying.
And now that's the last fight. Triple X won, took 2 out of